Hello everyone. In this video, I solved this math Olympiad question. This question is square root 60 times 61 times 62 times 63 plus 1. So how to solve this question? So I start. Here is a square root and 60 times 61. We know that 60 plus 1 equal to 61. And here is 62. I can say easily 60 plus 2 equal to 62, and here is 63. So 60 plus 3 equal to 63 plus 1. Now let 60 equal to x. This time I can say easily square root x times x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 plus 1. Now I can say easily square root x times x plus 3, x plus 1, x plus 2 plus 1. I just change the place. Here is x plus 3. I just put on this value in this place. Now I can say square root x times x equal to x square, x times 3 equal to 3x, and here is x times x equal to x square plus x times 2 equal to 2x, x times 1 equal to x, 1 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. Now square root x square plus 3x, here is x square plus 3x, we know that 2x plus x equal to 3x plus 2 plus 1. Now again let x square plus 3x equal to y. This time I can say easily y times y plus 2 plus 1, and if I multiply I can say easily y times y equal to y square plus 2 times y equal to 2y plus 1. Now we know that y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to y plus 1 whole square. Here the square root is cancelled. This time I can say easily y plus 1. Now here is y plus 1. We know that y equal to x square plus 3x. So I put on this value in this line. So x square plus 3x plus 1. We know that x equal to 60. So 60 square plus 3 times 60 plus 1. Now 3600 plus 180 plus 1. This time I can say easily if I add 3781. This is the answer. Thank you all.